Hi everyone, Tanya here with Riley & Company. I'm here with a little sneak peek of the October Craft Along kit. You guys are going to love this. It's full of beautiful fall colors and lots of fun folds. So let me show you this card first. Reasons why fall is best. Chilly weather, fuzzy sweaters, beautiful color, and bugs have returned to hell where they belong. True story. Seriously. Our second card is a fun fold. It's okay if you're not into all things pumpkin. More for me! And you guys can see it's a double Z. You have a double Z fold. Everything is in the kits to make this card and that card and this card. Are you ready for this? A little fun music, please. Da-da-da. Look at this gorgeous card. Advice from a pumpkin: be well-rounded, get plenty of sunshine, keep growing, be outstanding in your field, and think big. Look at that. So fun folds for fall. And in this kit, you will also get this absolutely stunning fall paper pack. Look at that 6x6 pad from Cartabella Harvest. So do not miss it. Head over to RileyandCompanyOnline.com and grab yours before they sell out. And I'll see you at the Oak event. Have a great day, everybody.